Good morning, students. So today from standard 6 English medium, subject English grammar, topic number 10. Topic name is verb tenses. Today I am going to talk about the present continuous tense, and later on after that simple past tense. So first I discuss with you about the present continuous tense. Let's see what is the definition of the simple present continuous tense. Here is given simple present continuous tense is used to represent an action. Is used to represent an action that is going on. That is going on at the time of speaking. Example. I am reading a book now. I am reading a book now means at the time of speaking this action is continuing. Which action? This action. M means reading. This action is going on at the time of speaking. When at the time of speaking an action is going on to indicate that. Then the next is example number 2. Children are playing in the garden. What? Children are playing in the garden. This action means children. Where? Children indicate there. Where are the children? Children are in the garden. But what they are doing? They are playing. They are playing means at the time in the garden they are playing. The action is continuing. Okay. So this present continuous tense shows that the action is going on when at the time of speaking. Let's see the structure of affirmative. Affirmative sentence. How we build the structure? We build the structure from right first subject plus am, is, are plus verb with ing. Verb with ing. As here the children is subject. This is to be form. Then verb with ing. Then the other word, or we can write the object or other word. Object plus other word. You can write it. Okay, so this is the formation of the affirmative sentence. If you write the formation of interrogative sentence, let's write. Interrogative structure. So only we can change this to be form. To be form right first. So here is, am, are, then write subject plus verb with ing, then at last the symbol of the question mark. That shows that the interrogative sentence. If you write the interrogative negative sentence, then this to be formed with you write the NT. Means if you write negative isn't and aren't. Okay, this is the short form of isn't and aren't. With am we could not say the amn't. We say aren't or ain't. Okay, so this is the structure of affirmative and interrogative sentence. Okay, then we go through this second tense, simple past tense. Simple past tense. This tense is indicate what? To indicate an action completed in the past. What? The action is already completed in the past. That shows that the simple past tense. What? The simple past tense to talk about the past event. To talk about the past event. Just as I studied in SP University. The action is completed. Now not I am a student or not I have studied. And the second is to indicate past habits. To indicate past habit. What is the example here? As a child, I always woke up early. As a child, when I was studying in the school, I always woke up early. when I was studying, just now not studying. So the action, an action is completed where? In the past. So this tense, simple past tense, shows an action completed in the past. So here is the structure. What is the structure? First write subject plus what? Past form. Which form? Past form of the verb. Past form of the verb. Then write object, subject, verb and object. Then if you want to write this is not necessary. Subject and verb is necessary. Example here. I ate 2 apples. I ate 2 apples yesterday. I ate 2 apples yesterday. So this, I think the action was completed yesterday. Yesterday means not today but yesterday. This action was completed. Which action? Eating the apple. That action was completed in the past. So if in this tense we write the verb form. Which verb form? Past form. Which verb form? Past form. If the verb is given as make, so what we write? We write the past form of the make is made. This it is the present and at is the past. If sing is given, we write in this tense sang. So what we write? We write this past form of the verb in this tense. So I hope you understand about the present continuous tense and simple past tense. Thank you. So friends, completed the simple past tense. Now talk about past continuous tense. Which tense? Past continuous tense. In this tense, simple past tense, the action was completed in the past, but in this tense, past continuous related to the past. In this tense, past continuous tense, what happened? This past continuous tense to talk about an ongoing action. Which ongoing action in a particular period in the past. Particular period in the past. When we talk about the present continuous tense, at the time of speaking the action is going on, but in the past continuous tense the action is ongoing, where ongoing action in particular period in the past. The example is, see, I was living in Mumbai from 1994 to 1997. The action was living where? Mumbai. The time period is already given. See, from 1994 to 1997. In between this year, 1994 to 1997, I was living in where? Mumbai. Second, to indicate this past continuous tense, to indicate the repetition of an activity. Look at here. During a period of time in the past, which our neighborhood dogs were barking all night. All night. What? Neighbor dogs. What? Were barking. This action was continuing in the past. Continuing in the past all night. During the night, this action were continuing. So, in the past continuous tense, the action comes starting in the past and continuing during the time of period. In the past. Okay? And here we present. We talk about this past action. Continuing. Okay? What is the structure of this past continuous tense? Look at here. The structure is, first we write subject plus was, word plus verb with ing. Look at here. Here subject plus to be formed but past. Okay, was or were we use. Then verb with ing. What? Verb with ing. Then the other word. Then if you want to write object, then object plus other word. This is the structure of affirmative sentence. Which structure of affirmative sentence? If you want to write the structure of interrogative sentence, only this was what you write first, then comes to the subject. Okay, then comes to the subject. But what you do, if you use I, then you write was. Then you write the singular, third person singular, or singular noun. Singular noun which you use was plus verb ing. Okay, if you use you, we and they with verb. What? With to be formed verb. Okay, you, we, they and the plural noun. Children, students, boys. Boys were talking, girls were reading. Okay, you use this to be formed verb with ing. So today I have discussed about three tense: present continuous tense, past continuous tense, and simple past tense. I hope you understand about it. Thank you.